On this week's episode of Project Sullivan,
we're going to try to get this Hisun ATV ready to go for summer.
we have to change the oil, and you're going to see a new, better option for the oil filter.
I'm also going to make sure it has all the spark by putting new spark plugs.
This and much, much more on this week's episode of Project Sullivan.
Stay tuned.
Previously on Project Sullivan, we removed the CV carburetor from our 4x4 Hisun 400 ATV. We completely disassembled it. After taking off the float bowl and describing all the parts, we removed the slide and needle for the needle and seat. After disassembly of the various parts of the continuous velocity carburetor, we soaked it in vinegar overnight. The next day we removed it from the bath and scrubbed it down with the most expensive carburetor tools we own. Went through a brief explanation explaining everything I know about these carburetors, with the best animation we could make, so it needed work. After all that was said and done with, we reinstalled the carburetor and broke the throttle cover slightly, and tried to get it to start. This week we tried to get it ready to go on a ride.
So Gogo, what do we got going on now?
I'm pretty sure I gotta change that spark plug. That stupid spark plug. Is there a secret to taking these ones off? Or I just pull like the others?
You just pull like the others. It should be you just pull like the others. Hold on, let me see if I can.
Oh, there we go. I heard it snap. I hope that I didn't break anything.
Try to let the camera see what's going on.
That spark plug looks brand new.
Well, let's take it out and see.
Can you hand me a socket and wrench? Or socket?
See if that fits. It's only incredibly dirty.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Holy dirty spark plug, Batman! We got our list of what we still need to do. It's been a day since we rebuilt our carburetor, and if you notice, it's been a day since we rebuilt our carburetor, and if you notice, it's dirtier than when we cleaned it. So I think our bowl is leaking. We're gonna have to pull it back off to see if we get the RTV going in it. Oh, also, while you guys weren't here, Gogo broke the throttle case.
Okay, I want to point out it was broken before.
Was it?
Yes, this little part was broken. That's right
All the
now
way
broken.
off?
Yes, it was. And I just broke this piece. But, you know, we don't talk about Bruno, so.
Okay, you want to use at least a 3-ton load capacity to lift a ATV of this magnitude. This is what the ATV would look like if it had a 1.5 foot ground clearance.
I have an idea. We paid $20 for Walmart to do it.
I don't think this is one of those things Walmart does. I think we gotta take this skid plate off, maybe? Go, 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 pro! I don't know. I found the oil filter. It's over here. I guess we take that plate off.
Nailed it!
Good, it was a 10.
Oh, okay. Was they that far off?
Look at the socket.
It says 10. Ah! Can you have any safety glasses? Okay. Should I take you guys with me? Kind of hard to see it, but there's 2 screws right here. I'm gonna need
The
another.
camera pointing at him?
Yeah, it is. Okay, Phillips. Oh wow, that's gonna be okay, you should start falling. There it goes.
Not very many people were able to tame the wild and magnificent woolly ATV. We're attempting to right now. Left over from the prehistoric days. Yep, the drain plug was right there, Gogo. You gotta come drain the oil. Take that plastic plate out. First, guess what size that drain plug is?
I don't know, too small.
That's too small?
Yeah, so.
You gotta hold this side too, otherwise it's just gonna pop off.
That thing was as snug as a bug in a rug.
It might have been tight in Alabama. There you go.
Remember, we're not allowed to make jokes about Alabama anymore.
I don't know what you're talking about. We're not making fun of Alabama. If we were making fun of anyone, it would have been Louisiana's roads. Them's fighting words. Then they'll be like, well, at least we know how to operate a ratchet.
Shut up, Louisiana. Operation, there's no oil coming out of the drain plug yet.
2 hours later.
It's because it's waiting for me to get out of
Oh,
the way.
there it is.
Even if it is a 10,000 mile drain plug.
That is some black licorice. Okay.
Why is it getting chunky? I like chunky peanut butter, not chunky oil. Well, it doesn't smell like gas. The frame. Yes.
I didn't see that, thank you. I would have found a lot of trouble later.
Is that right?
That's not gonna work.
On the plus side, we'll get about 7,000 pounds of dirt out of this and make it a millisecond faster in a quarter mile.
That's a lie in a quarter mile. Okay.
Luckily, down at the O'Reilly's, the guy helped me try to figure out whether we can find an oil filter without buying one on Amazon. We're going to see if it works. I'm going to be doing the experiment just in case it's wrong.
What's going on? You go on it?
Seems good.
Yeah. Dude, we went to like 3 different
So there we go. If anybody's wondering if they're looking for the crossover for it, KN303 for your Hisun ATV oil filter. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that looks like about 28 thousandths.
You get to do it, Dad?
Dad, what does that mean?
Hang on. Just gonna get the bug in our rug. Heck yeah.
Tighten the Ugga, not Dugga.
Oh, good, 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 good.
I got it.
Here, clean it off.
After our hour-and-a-half long journey around the town to find that freaking oil filter. Oh, maybe it'd help if I was gonna go the right way. You know how that works. And I still didn't go the right way.
2 hours later.
There we go. Stupidly long drain plug.
They tight?
Yeah.
Just Ugga, not Dugga, right?
Yep.
Okay, so the spark plug is redone. We need to put oil in this thing before we forget.
Alright.
Where's your oil funnel? Okay, Gogo. Just in case you're ever in a situation where you need a funnel, but you don't have one, you can use a sheet of paper. All you really need to do to make a disposable funnel for one-time use is make a funnel out of a piece of paper. Roll up the paper into the shape of a funnel. Make sure the one end is really tight because it's got to go into a very tight area, and the one side is very open.
Okay, hang on. Got this.
There we go.
I said I was working on it.
Okay. Now, come over here. Now you gotta make it a little tighter just using that hole.
So theoretically, you'd be able to use a waffle cone for this as well.
And it'll work till it doesn't. Go get the oil. We'll start with a quart, see where that gets us.
When we go get a new piece of paper.
Check the oil. The dipstick's up there.
Okay. Do I tighten it down?
Yeah, just thread it down where it's snug.
You gonna hold the funnel? Or
You
is it
can.
just gonna be fine?
All you gotta do is hold this side here to where it doesn't open up. Didn't think that funnel would work as well as it is so far, are you?
Nope, but you need to go to that side.
Okay, that's about right on. So, we're probably gonna have to put a little more in because it's gotta fill up the oil filter. Yep, you gotta put more oil.
Oh crap.
Go ahead. What does that say right there? Just right at the top of that thing.
Nailed it. Go time?
Yeah, go ahead.
I let that one down. Still idle.
Sorry we couldn't go for a ride in this episode. Our tires are still bad and we have a leaking CV boot. But Next time you see this thing, it'll definitely be on the road.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Project Sullivan. Don't forget to tune in for next week, where that's an episode I guarantee you're not going to want to miss. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.